In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monarch Money for business and tax purposes. Let's get started by visiting the Monarch Money website, which serves as a comprehensive tool for managing both personal and business finances. Once you've accessed the dashboard, navigate to the Accounts section. This is essentially your central hub for monitoring where your money is flowing from and to. Here, you can add various financial accounts to keep everything organized in one place. Now let's dive into adding accounts. Click on Add Accounts to include your financial details. If your account isn't automatically supported, you can select Add Manual Account. This is particularly useful for business accounts or any other investment portfolios you need to track that aren't directly linked to your bank. Simply input the relevant details to ensure your records are accurate. With your account set, shift your attention to transactions by clicking on the Transactions tab. If you have new business expenses or income to note, choose Add Transaction. This allows you to manually track how transactions affect your overall financial picture. Next, under Transactions, click on Category. It's crucial to categorize each transaction accurately to maintain financial clarity. If you find existing categories inadequate, opt to create a new one. For instance, you can create a category specifically for taxes, enabling a more organized overview tailored to your financial needs. Continuing, let's explore Goals. This feature aids in setting financial objectives, be it saving for taxes or purchasing new business equipment. Just click Add Goals. Here, categorically select goals relating to tax, which provides clear financial direction and assists in tracking progress. At this point, I would recommend familiarizing yourself with the section on importing transactions. This area offers insights into the pros and cons of data entry automation. Click on Automated Data Entry, which facilitates seamless tracking by integrating with your accounts without manual updates. For a holistic understanding of your financial status, access Comprehensive Financial Overview, which ensures you have a clear and complete picture. However, stay alert to the drawbacks associated with transaction imports. Click on Cons of Importing Transactions to understand potential pitfalls like duplicate entries and the lack of an undo function for CSV files. Formatting challenges can occur, especially if you have large accounts with intricate transactions. To conclude, let's focus on some best practices. Visit the Best Practices section to learn more about efficiently managing your accounts. Tagging manual entries can enhance specificity, helping in tracking and analyzing particular transactions with ease. Often testing with smaller CSV files before bulk processing helps in minimizing errors. Finally, committing to regularly reconciling your accounts ensures your financial records are always up to date, offering peace of mind and accuracy, especially important when handling taxes. There you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your business finances using Monarch Money. Remember, staying organized and proactive in tracking your transactions not only simplifies tax preparation, but also fosters sound financial health for your business.